Title: School Projects and Fun Activities. Characters: 1. Alex A., a diligent student who enjoys school projects. 2. Max M., Alex's friend who prefers fun activities over studying. Scene: Alex and Max meet during lunch break at school. Hey Max, how's it going? Oh hey Alex, not bad. Just surviving school, you know? Yeah, I get it. So, have you started working on the science project? Mange? Science project. Don't remind me. I'd rather be playing soccer or something. Come on, Max. It's not that bad. We get to learn cool stuff and experiment. Come. Cool stuff. More like confusing stuff. I'd rather build a volcano out of baking soda and vinegar. Laughs. Well, that's one way to approach it. But seriously, we need to ace this project. Our grade depends on it. Fine, but can we at least make it fun? Like add some explosions or something? Explosions? Max, we're not in an action movie. But sure, let's find a creative angle. How about studying the effects of different liquids on plant growth? Plant growth? Boring. Can't we study the effects of pizza on happiness? Levels instead? A. Rolls eyes. Max, focus. We need to impress our teacher. Plus, pizza isn't exactly a scientific variable. Yeah. But you know what would be awesome? A time-traveling project. Imagine if we could go back to ancient Egypt. Ari laughs. Max, we're not building a time machine. But I like your enthusiasm. Maybe we can incorporate history somehow. Fine. But can we at least wear cool lab coats? And safety goggles? Safety goggles, yes. Lab coats? Maybe. But let's stick to the project topic. We'll make it interesting, I promise. Deal. As long as we don't have to dissect frogs. I'm not touching those slimy things. Agreed. No frogs. But how about researching renewable energy sources? It's relevant and impactful. Pauses. You know what, Alex? Maybe school projects aren't so bad after all. Let's make this one country.